Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to be using everything that we've learnt in the last few sessions, and we're going to be making a little program. There are going to be some more tutorials making something a bit more advanced, but for now let's make this. So what it's going to be is we'll make the title, and what this is so that you can go to school and bypass. Sometimes websites are blocked from your school internet, like Facebook or something. So you can bypass it. Or if you're work or whatever, whoever's watching. Or you can just do it for whatever reason. Now you can change the color. It doesn't really matter. I like OE, so it's a bright yellow. So what we're gonna make is just a little heading. It doesn't have to be A. It can be whatever you like. And CLS. Now this CLS here is if we write, I'll show you. Open up a CMD. Okay, look, if I write echo hi, this is CMD by the way. If I write echo hi, see how it says hi and hi, and it starts saying all of this stuff. Then we can write CLS. It will do the same thing within here. Write CLS and it clears it all. So it makes the screen blank and it looks a lot cleaner and nice. So we're going to write CLS. Now, underneath CLS, we're going to write echo, type the website you want to bypass. And underneath here, you guys know how to do it, set/p. I told you in the last thing. If you can't remember, you just save it as, we're going to save it as whatever we want, choice. I'm just going to save it as choice. So now we write equals and write dot. So now it's going to have choice, and whatever they type in, all it's going to show is that little dot. Actually, no, I'll make it look a bit nicer. So now they're going to write, so now for whatever they write, let's just pause that and see if that works. So far. Okay, yeah, I understand. You can't do this because this is part of another command. So what can we do? We can do dot. Okay, we'll just do dot. Now what this is gonna do is, if I save that, so far what it does is type the website you want to bypass. And type in the website, say google.com. And right now, because we only have pause after it, I'll just exit. Now, what I normally do is after here, I do like 2 spaces. So then I have a bit of, so whoever's using it has a bit of how can I explain it? A bit of room to type whatever they want in. Now, let's get to the exciting part. So now what this is going to do is it's going to ping. What pinging does is I'll show you. So choice %%. And then that will ping it. Let's put a pause so it doesn't just close straight away. Okay, so type the website you want to bypass. We're not really bypassing it yet, we're just pinging it so we can get the IP. Now if you don't understand that, you soon will. So we can go facebook.com. And that's going to load up. It's going to start saying all this random stuff like that, but that's what we want. Now this here is the IP. If you don't know, this little bit here is the IP. That is what we're going to be wanting to type into our internet browser, and that's going to be what bypasses the blocks. Because when people block the website, they just block www.facebook.com. They don't actually block the IP. So this works on pretty much any school computer. It works on mine. It works on, yeah. So now pick the choice, and then we wanna actually look. I'll show you the CLS in action. So if you watch this, type the website you want to ping. So www.facebook.com, and see how that just disappeared up there. if you check, if you scroll back in the video just before, you'll notice that. Because we didn't have pause at the end. If you scroll back in the video before, you'll notice that just stayed at the top. Now that that's been CLS'd, we want to do echo dot. What these do, remember, is that they like leave little blank spaces. And here's where we want to type what we want to type. So we want to say type the website type the IP. Wait. If you want to bypass security, type the IP here. And now we want to do echo dot, so it leaves a bit of a space. And again, set /p. And we're gonna want to save this as something else. We'll just write whatever you can save it as whatever you want. Ping. We'll just save it as ping. And then we're gonna make it equal to space, same as I always do. And then what this is gonna do is underneath, we're gonna wanna start iExplore.exe, and then after you start iExplore.exe, you wanna write %ping%. So what that's gonna do is whatever they type in here, which is gonna be the IP, it's gonna start up Internet Explorer and automatically open up that page. So now we can do ping. Oh yeah, this is a nice command that you're gonna learn. Ping localhost. I'll explain what it does later. Ping localhost 3 null. Okay, so what this does is it and then we want to go to A. And remember what this does is it just goes all the way back up to here. So if we highlight that, it will show us where it's going to go back to. Now, so what pinging localhost does is it waits for, here we have 3 seconds, or I don't know, it depends. Not really 3 seconds, just like a few seconds. So what that does is it starts Internet Explorer and then it waits a few seconds and it goes back to A. And what this null does is, otherwise it's going to start writing all the stuff down the screen. What null does is it makes it so you can't see it. It's just like invisible. So now if you open this up, type the website you want to bypass. www.face. Well, we can just write facebook.com. And it'll ping Facebook. Just wait for that to finish. And if you want to bypass security, type the IP here. So here's where you type in this IP. So it's 173.252.110.27. So we just need to type in that number there. So that's the number, and you click enter. Wait, and look here. Here's where so it's going to start it, and see how it automatically takes us back to the start. Now this is going to redirect us back to Facebook, and there we go. We bypassed it, and you can do this with any website. That's the tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Peace out.